In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Clickup language. Let's dive right in. Clickup is a powerful project management tool that's become indispensable for professionals and teams aiming for high productivity. Its user-friendly interface and customizable features make it a go-to choice for managing work. However, working in a language that you're most comfortable with can significantly enhance your experience and productivity. That's why today we're walking through the steps to switch languages in Clickup. First things first, head over to the Clickup website. You can do this by typing Clickup in your browser or using a bookmark if you have one saved. Once you're on the site, you're greeted by the familiar interface of Clickup, brightly welcoming you to get things done. Now, to get started with changing the language, you're going to need to log into your account. On the Clickup homepage, look for the login option, click on it, and you'll be directed to the login page. This is where you'll enter your credentials, starting with your email. Type in the email address you used to register with Clickup. Make sure it's entered correctly to avoid any access issues. After entering your email, it's time to input your password. Go ahead and type in your password in the provided field. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so ensure that your caps lock is turned off and that you're entering your password exactly as you set it. Once you've got your email and password entered, you'll find the login button. Click on it to proceed. If your details are correct, you'll be whisked away into your Clickup workspace, landing on the home page that's familiar to you. Here in your Clickup workspace is where the magic of customization happens. To navigate to the area where you can change the language, start by locating your profile. Usually you'll find this in the lower left corner of your screen. It might display your picture if you've set one up. Click on this profile icon. After clicking on your profile, a menu appears. Here you'll see various options, but for now we're interested in settings. Find and click on the settings option. This will lead us closer to where we can adjust our language preference. Within the settings menu, you're looking for language settings. This might be directly labeled as such or indicated under a submenu related to personalization or account settings. Once you find the language settings, click on it to proceed. Now you're in the right place to make the change. Look for an option that says language. It's here that Clickup allows you to select from various languages, enabling you to work in the one you're most comfortable with. Click on language to open the drop-down menu that displays all the available languages Clickup supports. Browse through the list and find the language you want to switch to. Clickup supports a multitude of languages, so take a moment to locate the one you need. Once you find it, select it by clicking on it. This change might prompt a confirmation or may save automatically, depending on how Clickup has set up the preferences. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in Clickup. This small but significant change can make your workflow feel more intuitive and personalized. Operating in a language that you're fully comfortable with can remove small barriers, making your tasks feel a bit easier and more straightforward. Remember, you can always change the language back or to another one following the same steps. Clickup's flexibility in customization is here to cater to your needs, adapting as your preferences or working environment changes. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it helps you customize your Clickup experience to fit your needs even better. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher on changing the language in Clickup. Keep exploring and customizing to make Clickup your perfect productivity partner.